Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today my packages came in the mail and I'm too happy for Amazon. So it will be an unboxing. This is gonna be an unboxing. Yeah. I probably should have opened this first, but yeah. So I ordered both the Exo-CBX album and the Monster X Deja Vu album. So I don't know which one I'll be unboxing first. I'm gonna do the Exo-CBX one first. So this is how it looks. It's smaller than I thought. Like my God 7 one's big. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is how the back looks. I'll also be doing an inspired look by this album since I got it now. This is Blooming Days. So I'm gonna take off the plastic. Get my scissors. Not my scissors, but tweezers. I really do like this album. My favorite song off this album would probably have to be Vroom Vroom, because it's just so catchy. I love the music video to Blooming Days. It's just really nice. So I'm gonna look away because I don't want to see what I got. Alright, I think it's in the back or the middle, so I'm just gonna take that out. Put that away from me. Like over here. On the back, let me check. I'm missing something. Put everything over there so I can't see. Oh, it's still some more stuff. Wow, this is a lot of stuff. But yeah, honestly, I don't really care what postcard I get because I don't really care. Out of EXO, my favorite is D.O. But out of Exo-CBX, I don't mind anyone. So this is how the front looks, the side, and the back, of course. So when you open it, you see the CD look like this. It is really cool. That's cool. You see the CBX right there. And then turn the page, and this is how it looks. Sorry about the glare. I don't have a real camera. And here's them from Blooming Days. And here's Chin and Baekhyun. Wow, look at Jimin. I do want a Jimin postcard. Why do guys, my setup is so like annoying. I need a real camera. Where's that? This is annoying. Alright, better stay. But yeah, look, I bent it because of that. But here's Jimin and here is Chin. They look really good. I love this comeback. Here's the three of them. Here's Jimin. And here's Baekhyun. And right here, just like it says #1 Blooming Days since it's the first album. Track on the album. And here are the lyrics and stuff, and people who helped them write it and their company and stuff. Here's like the photo shoot. They all look really good. And here is, ooh, Jimin looks good. Look at Baekhyun. Wow. I really like this. And here is Jimin and them again. And Jimin. The second track is, no, the first track is Monday Blues. The second track is Blooming Days or something. Jimin looks so good in his black. That's a B for Baekhyun. And the third track is Sweet Dreams. I like that song. his chin and chin. Zooming in back on. Here's back. Here's a zooming. Yeah, I did not realize he dyed his hair like blue and blonde. I was like, whoa. And then they recently dropped Horolo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that music video. His bacon and chin. Bacon. And this song, the fourth song, is called Thurday. I really like this album overall. I think it's worth buying. And here is them. Here's them again. Like little movie film picture, so zoom in and back down. His chin, and the fifth song called Vroom Vroom. You already know how I feel about that. That's my song. So back down to them. Wow, look at him with the choker on. Okay, I see you back here. Here, like Polaroid zoom in and chin, and here's a picture of zoom in the window. Look at zoom with the headband on. What? Yeah, they look so good. I'm so happy about this. Look at back young. And chin. And here is Zooming, and the sixth track is called Playdate. I love Playdate. Zooming looks so good. I hope I got a Zooming postcard. It was a lot of stuff back there. And here is Chin and Baekhyun. Looking good as always. Here is Chin, Baekhyun, and Zooming. And the seventh track, the last track, is called Lazy. Here we go again. There's Chin. Yo, Chin's high note in Blooming Days is too good. Here we go. Jin looks so cute. Here's the back. Oh, I love this picture of them. Here's like the people who helped him with that album and stuff. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, I like this. It's hardcover. So yeah, and these like the CBX right here, it has like a different like feeling, like glossy. So yeah. So here's the stuff that came, a bunch of stuff. So I have this Chin postcard. I mean, I'm not mad. It's cute. Here's the back of it. I obviously can't read it because I don't speak Korean. This says Blooming Day Chin. That's the English version. Here it came with some stickers. Oh, this is so cute. It say Exo-CBX. Here's some stickers. I like this. These are like the ABCs. Oh, it came with like these big ones too. So this is Chin. Looks really good. Oh, look at Baekhyun. It's Korean right on the back. I forgot to show you Chin's. I mean, of course, I don't speak Korean. Look again. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And here's Jimin's. I hate how you can't really see, but like, yeah, this is how he looks. The light is just too bright. And the back looks. And it came with this Superstar SM Town, or Exo-CBX, Cold or whatever. And it also came with this fun book for, I'm pretty sure it's for, I don't know what this is for, fan art. platform. I don't even know what the heck this is from. I can't speak or read. But yeah. So that's everything that I got. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. I'm not upset that I got a chin postcard, but I was hoping for this treatment, but it's okay. The next video I record is gonna be my Monster X one. So if you see me wearing the same shirt, it's two videos in one day. Also, if you want to see a video on how I do my everyday face makeup updated, or like these eyes, this halo eye, please comment down below. Bye.